if you can play career mode on eFootball mobile. As you guys already know, eFootball is a console game, or you can play it on PC. For example, it is a game that you have to purchase on PlayStation or Xbox, or if you are playing on PC, you have to also pay. But the mobile version is free because it's like a half version of the eFootball. It's still in trial mode and not completely optimized yet. So if you try to go to your match, as you can see, you can only play against PvP against AI. You can only play league trial matches and with your friends. There is no possible option right now to play career mode. So you cannot play career mode on this mobile device. You will have to, if you want to play career mode on eFootball, you will have to purchase the game on your PC or any kind of console if you have it. That is the only possible way as of now to play career mode on eFootball. With that being said, if eFootball brings career mode to mobile phone in the future, we will be the first one to let you know. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.